What's up guys? I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain UTV MC, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Tusk ultra heavy duty ball joints. Now these are designed to fit your Polaris RZRs and your Polaris Generals, and what's nice about these is they're adjustable for wear, and you can completely disassemble these, clean them out, and re-grease them. You even have a low profile grease zerk right on top if you ever want to pump some grease down in there. So some nice features with these. And another thing is, once this is installed on your machine, you don't even have to remove the A-arm from the machine to service it. You can do it all right here. Now, these are also designed for added durability. They're made from 4340 heat-treated chromoly steel. It's going to be a lot tougher than your stock ball joint, so that's why this is going to be a great replacement whether you just have worn-out stock ball joints or you want to upgrade to something that's more heavy-duty. Now, if you're wondering if you have a bad ball joint or how to check that, you want to do that during your routine maintenance, and what you're going to do is raise the front of the machine off the ground. You're going to grab your tire on the top and the bottom, rock it back and forth, and if you feel any play in your ball joint, you're going to want to pick a set of these up on our website and then use our how-to video to help guide you through the install process. And there you have it. That's your closer look at the Tusk ultra heavy duty ball joints. If you have any questions about these, leave those down in the comments below. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain UTV MC. Thanks for watching.